The 10 Commandments that God sent for humanity. First commandment. You are to have no other gods as a substitute for me. Second commandment. You are not to craft for yourselves an idol. Third commandment. You are not to misuse the name of the Lord your God. Fourth commandment. Remember the Sabbath day, maintaining its holiness. Fifth commandment. Honor your father and your mother. Sixth commandment. You are not to commit murder. Seventh commandment. You are not to commit adultery. Eighth commandment. You are not to steal. Ninth commandment. You are not to give false testimony against your neighbor. 10th commandment. You are not to desire your neighbor's house.